Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, JB Graphics. We give you tutorials on graphics design using your smartphone. So right now, very soon we will be going into the laptop or computer, that is the Photoshop and others. But for now, we are on the smartphone. So today we're going to learn how to install fonts into our Pixellab. So you open your Google Chrome, then you type that font, just that font. So this one, you click on it to load. When it loads, you click on the first link to go to the site. This is a site that we download most of the fonts. So you see, when it opens like this, we have search space over here. Here you can search. If you have the name of the font, you can search it over there. If you don't have it too, you would have to go through the categories. The fonts have been categorized. So we have fancy, the foreign look, techno, and a whole lot. So these are categories of the fonts. So right now, like this, I don't have any fonts in mind. If you have any fonts in mind, this is the space where you're going to type it, and you click on the search here. You can see. So since I don't have any font in mind, let me go to the categories. I'll go to basic. You see we have basic here. Then I'll click on sans serif. If you say sans serif, it means there is no additional stroke added to the font or the typography. You see, the serifs are fonts with additional lines or dots. Okay, the serifs. So let's click on the serifs so that you get to see what I was explaining to you. So you see at the ends, you see there are additional lines or additional points added to them. That makes them serifs, extension of the font. Now let's get back to the sans serif. You see that there is no, let me mark, you can see, check the E, this part, or if you can't see it well, let me zoom it. Let me zoom it for you. Okay. Please, the network is a bit slow, but it will load right now. So you see, we have serif. The first one is verge. So with the verge, you see, when you check here, you see there is additional line added to it. You can see this one too, the top part too. So this makes them to be serifs. Okay, so we're moving on. I'm going to download sans serifs. Those are without additional lines. You can see the edges, and then you can see that there are no additional lines added to it. So now the font that you want, you just scroll through and then you download. Let me see. So Azonix, you see this font, I'm going to download this. So there is a download written here. You click on it, it will download straight into your phone storage. Okay, so let's say you didn't find the font you want here. There are numerous fonts, so you can see from down here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 94, meaning there are 94 different categories or different space of sans serifs. So let me click on it. You see, you can see some arrow over here. I click on it, it will go to the second page. This is second page, you see. So I scroll. I want this font to Tommy. So I click on download. Check it down here. You will see it downloading over here. Tommy. So you see, made Tommy zip open. So I scroll. Let me see if I can get another font. So I click on the arrow pointing to the right again. It will move to 3. You see there are fonts over here. Let me scroll. I still don't think I have. Okay, let me download this, the Bico. You see, I'm downloading. It will come. It will show down here. Okay, so you can download as many as you want. You can download 10,000 fonts and others. Okay, so just download your fonts. Now you see it has been downloaded over here. Now I've downloaded 3 fonts. You click on home. Now the next thing we're going to do is using this app called Zachiva. This app. So you click on the app, this app Zachiva. You open it. Okay, then you go to the folder in which the font is. So it's in my download. So here, download. I click on download. You see there are a lot of things over here that I've downloaded already. So there is a search button on top here. I click on it. Bico was one of the fonts. Then you search for it, then you click on your search. You see it here. Bico zip is here. So this is the 3rd font I downloaded. So I click on it, then you click on what? Extract. Okay, extract. Now I'm going to extract it here in the same download fonts. So you click on this arrow. Hope you can see this arrow pointing down here. It will be extracted here. Archive successfully decompressed, meaning the fonts have been zipped, and now you can install in your Pixellab. Let me check another font. I think it was let me check my download. It made Tommy and Azonix. So let me search for made Tommy. No files. Maybe I didn't spell it well. So Tommy, you see it's here because of the dash down there. That is why it didn't come. So you click on it. When you click on it, you click on extract. You click on this again, the arrow pointing down to extract. If you don't want to extract it here, you can send it to a different folder. So let me say you click on this. You see it has extracted my font. Then the last is the Azonix. Then I click on this is the Azonix. You extract it. Extract. Yeah. Now you see I've extracted 3 different fonts. Now you click home. You open your Pixellab. I am using the premium Pixellab. With this Pixellab, you can find it in my tutorial description below. Under this tutorial, Introduction to Pixellab Part 1 and 2, you get to download this premium Pixellab. So you open your Pixellab. Okay. So you open, you give it a background color. So you go to text. So let's say I write John. Now I want to use the fonts that I downloaded. So I increase the size. You come to fonts. Here, come to fonts. Then you come to my fonts up here. You see my fonts. So let's see. Made Bico. Okay, so you come here, fonts, my fonts, then you come to this. You see this plus icon here where it has the T. You click on it. You go to your folder in which you extracted the font, download. You see there are a lot of fonts here. You get it? So this is the first font. We have the Bico here. It means the Bico have different fonts. The Biko is a typography. When we say typography, it means it's a specific font which contains different styles of what? Font. That is the typography. So you mark the font you downloaded, because maybe some of the fonts might be in your Pixellab already. So not to install them twice, you just mark. You see I've marked the first one, so Biko, then made Tommy, Azonic. So let me say these are the 3 fonts I downloaded. Then you see down here we have add selected. So you click on it and then it will be added to your font directly. Okay, now let me search for Biko. You see Biko, we have Biko black, Biko light, Biko regular, Biko bold, Biko black. You see, so if let's say I want the Biko black, I just click on it. Okay, now you see my text have changed from the normal font to the Biko black font. So this is how we install font into our Pixellab and use it. Okay, let me go to the second font, Azonic. Let me say I don't want this, so Azonic. You see Azonic is here. That was one of the fonts I downloaded again. So you see the fonts have changed. So this is the step-by-step or process to install fonts into your Pixellab. Please, if you are missing any step, kindly go over the video just to understand, because I have explained everything to you so you can install fonts into your Pixellab. Have a nice day, and please follow same procedure in installing it in your PixArt. Yes, follow the same procedure in installing it in your PixArt. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.